What's up, everyone? It's a beautiful El Paso Saturday morning, and I'm out and about, headed to my first call. Got an oven diagnostic for a customer. It's not in the notes exactly what's going on there, but no matter what it is, I can figure it out.
Don't mean to sound cocky.
Anyway, first call on oven. I have about 4 other calls that I need to do today, so a total of 5 right now. We might add a couple more onto the list. We'll just see how it goes throughout the day. So here we go, headed to the first call. Let's see how it goes. Went to the first call. It's actually an oven where she said she had her AC's maintenance, and then they started smelling gas, so they had the gas company go out and told her that it wasn't the air conditioning, that it might be the oven, that they weren't sure if it was the oven or not. So I'm gonna go in and check for a gas leak and show you guys something real fast. Use this little gas leak detector, combustible gas detector by Yizu. Wasn't very expensive, but it's actually it's a pretty good detector. I've actually used it a few times and it's never failed me yet. Hopefully today is not the day. So I'm headed back over there. Again, I just came to the gas station to get some batteries. I don't know if I just said that, but I'm about to head back over there and take a look at it, see if we can find that leak. Alright guys, so I just checked that oven. It wasn't a gas leak after all. Kind of weird. The customer had some air conditioning work done. After the company left, she said she started smelling gas. So she called the gas company. Gas company came out. This is where it gets weird. Gas company came out. They checked the gas pressure, and the gas pressure was holding. Usually when the gas company comes and checks for gas leaks, they check to see if the pressure is holding throughout the house. If it is, that means there's no leaks. So they seen that the gas pressure was holding, but then they tell the customer that it might be coming from the oven. And not only that it might be coming from the oven, that it's probably coming from the regulator. So the customer's thinking that, you know, her oven has a gas leak on it. So they call me, I go out there, no gas leak on the oven. And then I tell them, you know what, let me go check the water heater and the furnace. So I go over there, I check the water heater, furnace with the unit off, no gas. And so I go ahead and I put the unit onto the fan. I turn the unit on where just the fan is blowing, and I can smell a whiff of what kind of smells like gas. But basically, if you have a air conditioning unit or refrigerated air unit, your evaporative coil, which sits on top of the furnace, you have a filter in there, but sometimes your filter doesn't catch everything, so things pass through there, and it passes through. Sorry, I'm going on and on and on. All right, so right now I'm headed to another call. It's a dryer diagnostic. Let's go see what's happening. Alright guys, so another Samsung dryer.
Another bad either pulley.
That's the story of my life, man. That particular washer and dryer, the dryer was on top of the washing machine, so the customer was able to help me take the dryer down so I could work on it. Right now I'm gonna go get the idler pulley, go back and get that on there. Normally I have those idler pulleys in my truck, but since I changed out that water heater, I haven't had a chance to take it to the recycling place. So I haven't had a chance to put my bins back in the back of my truck, which I need to do today, because you always want to finish the call on the first visit. That's what you look forward to. It saves you time and it saves you money. So, yeah. right, so I just replaced that either pulley on that Samsung dryer. Again, you guys got to see a full breakdown, disassembly and reassembly of a Samsung dryer. I also replaced the 2 back rollers, and I replaced the belt. So that customer is
Good to go.
right now. I'm off to another service call, refrigerator diagnostic on the east side of El Paso. Oh yeah, I'm in El Paso, Texas. I don't know if I said that. Anyways, headed to a refrigerator diagnostic, so we'll see what's going on there. All right guys, so I'm not gonna record in this house that I am at right now. Something that comes along with this trade is you have to go in people's houses. Some people are super clean and some people are, they're not. This house that I'm going at, that I'm checking this refrigerator, it's not the cleanest house. So I'm not gonna record in there, but you know, as a technician, you do have the right to refuse service to people. It's just hard for me to do that, even though, just say the smell and this, I don't want to talk. Let's just say this house isn't the cleanest. I am going to perform the job there, but I'm not going to record inside of there. And this is something that comes along with the job. Sometimes you have to work in conditions that aren't very sanitary. I am wearing my gloves and everything. I'm going to try to, you know, watch what I touch. But these people, you know, they need somewhere to store their food too. So I'm going to work on it and get the job done. All right guys, I'll let you know how it goes. All right guys, what's up? I just finished that Samsung refrigerator at the customer's house, and it turned out to be a bad compressor. It wasn't pumping. Gave a customer a price. They decided they were going to go with a different unit. They were going to go purchase another unit. They said they've actually had a couple problems with that unit and they didn't want to put any more into it. It's one of those Samsung refrigerators that has the 4 doors, 2 doors at the bottom for the freezer, 2 doors at the top for the refrigerator. Looks pretty cool. Samsung makes some pretty cool looking refrigerators. You know, I don't know if you've seen the one that has the touch screen on the front, but those tend to have some issues, man. And what can you do? It's a Samsung. Anyway, headed to my next call. It is a water heater. It's for a repeat customer. I went out there not too long ago to fix the dryer. He called today. He said he wanted me to go out there and check his water heater. So I'm headed out there. Let's see what's going on. All right guys, so I just checked that water heater and it is time to replace it. Talk to the customer tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go back and get that one swapped out. I'm gonna wear the GoPro on my head so you guys get to see a full complete water heater replacement, not just kind of bits and pieces like I put on the other video. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. Right now I'm done for the day. I did have another call that I was gonna do, but the customer called and rescheduled for Monday. That's a motor replacement on a Samsung dryer, of course. Anyways, it's the weekend and I'm gonna be working on Sunday. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? And I feel blessed. I don't mind working on the weekend. You know, I know you need to spend time with your family. I spend a lot of time with my family, but on some weekends I just feel like working. On some weekends I need that ice cream money, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Work the weekend. We have some extra dividends, some extra fetty, some extra cheese in my pocket.
All right guys, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Safe, be cool. I'm out.